In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use and integrate Trello with HubSpot so you can automatically turn contacts, deals, or form submissions into actionable tasks inside Trello. If you're managing sales in HubSpot but tracking projects or workflows in Trello, connecting the two can save you hours of manual work every single week. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step using Zapier, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully automated workflow running in the background. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software integrations and automation guides. Let's get started. The easiest way to integrate Trello with HubSpot is by using Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps together without needing any coding. So first, open your browser and go to zapier.com. Then log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account to get started. Once you're inside your Zapier dashboard, click on the button that says Create Zap. A zap is simply an automated workflow made up of a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, and the action is what happens next. For the trigger app, search for HubSpot and select it. Now you'll need to choose what event inside HubSpot should start this automation. You have several powerful options here. For example, you can select New Contact if you want a Trello card created every time a new contact is added. You could choose New Deal if you want to track sales opportunities. There's also Form Submission, which is great for creating tasks whenever someone fills out a form on your website. And if you want more advanced automation, you can use Property Value Change to trigger actions when a specific field updates. After selecting your trigger, click Continue and connect your HubSpot account. Zapier will ask for permission to access your HubSpot data. Approve the connection, then test the trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull in sample data from your account. Now it's time to set up the action. In the Action app search bar, type Trello and select it. Next, choose what you want Trello to do when the HubSpot trigger happens. The most common option is Create Card, which automatically creates a new Trello card. You can also choose Update Card if you want to modify an existing card, or add Checklist Item if you're building a more detailed workflow. Click Continue and connect your Trello account. Zapier will ask for authorization to access your boards and cards. Once connected, you'll choose the specific board and list where your new card should appear. Now comes the most important step, mapping the fields. This is where you connect the information from HubSpot to Trello. For example, you can map the HubSpot contact's first and last name to the Trello card title. You can map the email address, phone number, or deal amount into the card description. You can even assign due dates or labels dynamically based on HubSpot properties. After mapping your fields, click Continue and test the action. Zapier will create a sample Trello card so you can confirm everything looks correct. If the card appears exactly how you want it, go back to Zapier and click Publish Zap. And that's it. Your automation is now live. From this point forward, whenever your selected HubSpot trigger occurs, Zapier will instantly create or update a card in Trello without you lifting a finger. This is perfect for sales teams, marketing workflows, onboarding processes, or customer support tracking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step automation tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.